Hello students, welcome to video teaching class. It's chemistry for class 10. In chemistry, we are reading about metallurgical process. The process by which a metal can be obtained easily and economically, called metallurgy or metallurgical process. Last day I discussed the ores of some common metals and their formula. Also I discussed the various steps which involve in extracting a metal from its ore. There are 4 steps. The first one is concentration of ore. Second is conversion of sulfide or carbonate ores into oxides, means conversion of metal compound into oxides of metal. This is done by roasting or calcination, and it is essential only in case of sulfide and carbonate ore. In case of oxide or halide ore, this step is not required. In the next step, the metal oxide or metal halides are reduced into metal, and finally the metal which is obtained in the step of reduction is purified. Refining of impure metal is done. Okay, but today I will explain the first step of metallurgical process, means the concentration or enrichment of ore. Concentration of ore or enrichment of ore is done by various processes. Some common processes, some common methods for enrichment of ores are froth flotation method, gravity separation method, hydraulic washing, magnetic separation, and chemical method. Chemical method is also called leaching. In froth flotation method, the powdered ore is taken in a big container, in a large container, say a tank or a large metallic container, and water is added to it. Means the powdered ore is added to water filled in a tank or a large metallic container. Now few drops of pine oil or eucalyptus oil is added to the mixture, and air is blown, air is agitated through it. In the tank there remain arrangement to blowing in air near the bottom, near the base of the tank or container. Okay, a inlet is there, inlet is present for agitating air, right, for passing air. Air is passed, right? Okay, air is agitated, right? Next, froth appears, froth, scum like froth. Froth means scum, appears on the surface of the mixture, means precipitate, right? The froth or scum is nothing but precipitate is formed on the surface, which is separated, which can be separated using large ladles or a spoon. Okay, the froth contain okay, the impurities. In this way impurities are removed from metal compound and the metal settle down to the bottom of the container. This is how metal is made rich by froth flotation method, right? Next is gravity separation. So this method follow the principle is based on the difference in densities of gauge particles and metal particles. Gauge particles and ore particles, means metallic compound in the ore. Of course, metal compounds has higher density, is heavier, and the gauge particles are lighter in weight. So when the mixture, means powdered ore, if the powdered ore is dropped from certain height, like below, then the ore, means metal compound, which are heavier, directly fall down to form a heap, and the gauge particles are blown away by air and fall little away from the heap of the metal compound. In this way, the metal compound in the ore and the gauge particles, right, are obtained in separate heap. This method is called gravity separation. Next, hydraulic washing. In the method of hydraulic washing, powdered ore is sprayed over large tray, and the tray is set in the powdered ore is sprayed forming thin layer on an inclined tray, kept in inclined manner, making a definite angle with horizon. Okay, the powdered ore is sprayed forming thin layer on the tray, and then water is blown from the top. When water passes over the powdered ore on the tray, the lighter gauge particles are washed away and metal compound left behind on the tray. This is hydraulic washing. And the last one is next is magnetic separation method. In this method is used only when anyone, either metal compound or the gauge, is a magnetic substance, right? In this method, the powdered ore is put on a belt fixed over the two wheels, in which one of the wheel has a powerful magnet, right? A belt, leather belt or rubber belt is fixed on two wheels which can rotate the belt. One of the wheels contains magnet in it, a powerful magnet. Now the ore is sprayed on the belt, right? When ore passes near the magnetic field, then it is attracted by magnet and falls attracted by magnet, right? Thus fall down separately from the gauge and collected in a separate heap from the gauge particles. Now the last one is chemical method. In chemical method, the powdered ore is treated with certain chemical, right? And the chemical reacts with the metal compound, right, forming salt of metal. The salt is separated, right? In this way concentration is done. This is done in case of, for example, chemical method, which is also called leaching, is adopted in case of aluminium. Extraction of aluminium from bauxite. Chemical method is used for the enrichment of ore. Bauxite contains aluminium, right? So it is treated, the bauxite ore is treated with sodium hydroxide solution. Okay, the sodium hydroxide reacts with aluminium forming sodium aluminate. Right? The aluminate is then separated, sodium aluminate is separated, dried. Okay, and again alumina is obtained from it. Well, so in short, I discussed all the 5 methods of enrichment of ore. In detail I will discuss next time. That's chemical method I will discuss once again next time in detail. That's it.